Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to set up Android Studio on Windows 11. So first of all you have to search for Java JDK. We have to install first of all Java JDK on Windows. So just search for it here and it will take you to this whole Oracle page. Now you have to scroll down and download the Windows, go to Windows and download any installer from here, 64 x64 installer will be better. And once it is once it is downloaded, now you just install it. Installation is very pretty straightforward. Once installed, now there's a tricky part is setting up environment variables. So first of all, once it is downloaded, let it download first. So I have already installed it. I'll show you how can you set up environmental variable. So just search for environmental environment and click on this first this control panel. Now click on this environmental variable and here you can see that in path will you just need to click on edit, and as you can see that I have already added my folder here. Let me show you. You can see that I have already added here. So how can you add this one? So first of all, you have to click on new and open a file explorer and go to JDK folder where you have installed your Java. Just go to C drive, go to program file, go to Java, where's the Java? Java is here. Go to JDK folder and open bin folder and copy the path of your bin folder. Once you copy, open again this environmental variable and click on new and paste it here and click on OK. Fine. Once you click on OK, it will add it here. So I have already added, so I don't need to do that. Now you have to add this user variable for. So you can see that I have already added the Java home. So here, so to do that, you have to click on this new and set the variable name as Java home as I have already added. Now in the variable value, what you need to do, you have to come out of the bin folder and copy the path of the this folder, this JDK20 folder. You have to copy the path of this folder, and now you have to go back to here and paste it here and click on OK. So once you're done with these things, now it's time to check whether your Java is installed successfully on your Windows or not. So to do that, open CMD and search for Java hyphen hyphen version. It is used to check uh, the version of Java. Let's see. And as you can see that we have successfully installed Java on Windows 11. Now this is the prerequisite part and to install Android Studio. Now it's time to install finally Android Studio. So first of all, you have to go to Android Studio, search for it and go to the first link. Now download download and Studio Giraffe. This time it is Giraffe. I don't know what the logic behind changing the name every for every version. So now you have to click on this. What is that? Patch 2. Let's click on it to download. So it is right now of 1 GB, so it will take time. Till then, let's wait for it. So once it is downloaded, open it to install it. Now click on next, click on next, click on install. The icon has been changed of Android Studio right now. It is right now white, but it used to be green earlier. So nice to see change. Once the installation complete, you have to click on next and click on finish to start your Android Studio. So after this, you have to download some more. First of all, don't import. Let's see. And this is a new version, which is a giraffe theme. It comes with a giraffe theme, and don't send. So we are finally here. Click on next. Click on stand to continue with the standard, and click on next. Now we have to install the required files. So click on accept and click on what happened to it. We have to accept for every file, and now click on finish. I think we start downloading all the necessary files. Once your file has been downloaded, now click on finish. Now you can start your new project. So click on new project. Click on basic way I can found basic empty. Yeah, this one. Click on next. Now from here you have to choose Java language if you want, and you can choose the minimum JDK. So it means that you can run this app on Android 7.0 and more than this version of Android. And now it's better. Now click on this finish to install. Now click on finish to start your first project on Android Studio. So this file has been created and we have to allow to access ADB. Click on allow. As fully on that, and our file has been creating, and right now it is indexing JDK here, as you can see. So once your file has been loaded successfully, because it takes a lot of time, so now you have to run your app. So click on this play button to run your app. It will start build running. So Gradle build running right now. So again, it will take few minutes to run your app. So if you running Android Studio on your low and PC, then you can use your mobile as well to run your app, test your app. So you just need to keep your mobile and PC on the same Wi-Fi. So you can click on this pair using Wi-Fi. First of all, you have to open your mobile phone and go to developer option if you have. Let me show you by mirroring. So open your phone. I right now I'm building my mobile so on my PC. So first of all you have to go to in developer option. Now here you have to go to now you have to click on this wireless debugging and click on allow. Fine. Let me click on this again. So now you can see, let me open my mobile. Now you can see here, the QR code pair with QR code, and you can now scan your this code. Let me show you what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, it's taking a lot of time. I think my camera is not. I have to clean it camera first. And now again, let me do it. Now as you can see, it's paired successfully. And in the background, our emulator already is in the running on the Android Studio, as you can see. And this is the app that we have by default created. And this is the first fragment. This is the second fragment. And yeah, that's it. So that's why you can run on PC as well as on your mobile. So once you scan your device in this physical using a pair Wi-Fi, just scan your QR code on your mobile and your device will be pair here. Or you can also pair using the pairing code. It will ask you for the 6 code will be sent on your mobile and you have to just enter here. So you can do both way by virtual or by the physical one. So I'll recommend since I let me show you in the task manager how much it takes actually RAM wise. As you can see right now, Android Studio has been taking around 5 GB RAM memory, and this KMU system, which is a emulator, it is taking 481 memory and with 13 CPU, person CPU. You can see it makes your system slow if you run on a low-end PC. Yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.